Welcome to Auto Reviews. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Honda XR650L, a motorcycle that continues to define what a true dual-sport bike should be. The XR650L has been part of Honda's lineup for decades, known for its rugged reliability, off-road prowess, and no-nonsense engineering. The 2026 model keeps that legendary DNA alive while offering small but meaningful updates to meet modern expectations. Classic design, modern touch. The 2026 XR650L stays true to its timeless look. The design is simple and functional, built for riders who value durability over flash. You still get the traditional high-mounted front fender, compact headlight, long flat seat, and robust steel frame. Honda adds subtle refinements such as improved paint quality, updated graphics, and LED lighting for better visibility and energy efficiency. It's a design that reminds you of the 90s, but with the practicality and polish of a modern dual sport. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XR650L lies its 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, a power plant that has proven itself over decades of adventure. This engine delivers around 40 horsepower and solid torque, giving the bike enough muscle to conquer dirt trails or handle daily commuting with ease. Honda continues to use the air cooling system for its simplicity and reliability, ideal for riders venturing into remote areas where maintenance options are limited. For 2026, Honda fine-tuned the fuel mapping and updated the exhaust system for slightly better throttle response and fuel efficiency. The 5-speed gearbox remains unchanged, offering smooth and predictable shifts. Whether you're tackling mountain roads or cruising through city streets, the XR650L delivers steady and dependable performance every time. Suspension and handling. One of the strongest aspects of the XR650L is its suspension setup. The bike uses a long travel 43mm Showa front fork and a ProLink rear suspension, designed to handle both rugged off-road trails and uneven urban roads. With over 11 inches of front and rear travel, it effortlessly soaks up bumps, rocks, and ruts. The seat height of around 37 inches might challenge shorter riders, but it provides excellent ground clearance for serious off-road conditions. The XR650L's lightweight feel and balanced geometry give it impressive maneuverability for a bike of its size. It's not the lightest in the class, weighing around 346 pounds dry, but the low-end torque and well-tuned suspension make it easy to control even in tight situations. Off-road capability. The XR650L remains one of the best dual-sport motorcycles for real off-road riding. Its 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear will come wrapped in dual-purpose tires that offer solid grip on dirt, gravel, and pavement alike. The steel frame is strong and flexible, allowing the bike to handle rough terrain without compromising stability. The wide,